bedroom and explain to you guys the 6 foot, 12 foot rule. 21052 is going to say any opening you have to have a receptacle within 6 feet and no more than 6 feet apart. That's the 6 foot, 12 foot rule. This is our first receptacle. So here, within our first 3 feet. So you can be within 6 feet, but just not more. And then from box to box, within 12 feet. Right here, I'm at 8 foot 4. Between my second box and my third box, looking at 7 foot. Okay, well, why are they so close together? Well, you also have to have within 6 feet of this side. There's 2 on side of the bed. So let's take a look real quick. Opening, first one is roughly 5 feet. And how I measure these two is I just come off the wall the same distance. From this box here to that box there is more than 12 feet. So I have to kind of place another receptacle per code. You got to dictate where you're going to put it. Are you going to put it in the center? Off to the side. We just put off to the side because this is a good place for them to charge their phones. What about walls that aren't even 6 foot long? This is only 4 feet. Well, code tells you any wall that's 2 feet or larger can require a receptacle. So we just centered it right on that center stud to the left side. Good to go. Other things to note in a bedroom, you need a smoke alarm. You need a CO smoke outside of it. You got to have at least a switch receptacle, but these are the newer days switch light, and this is actually designed for